Black Lives Matter demonstrations broke out over the summer after the killing of George Floyd, an unarmed black man killed in police custody. All this week, we're examining what changes Metro Police have made and what still needs to be done. Bianca Holman tells us how a local chapter of the Black Police Officers Association is influencing the force.
Las Vegas chapter have become like the chapter when it comes to events, and a lot of other states, they look up to us to see what we're doing.
This is the Willie Smoot Award, one of several the Las Vegas chapter of the Black Police Officers Association, BPOA, has won through the years because of their events like back-to-school fairs, holiday programs, and most recently, drive-through food banks. Regina Coward Holman is the local chapter president and was a Metro officer for more than 20 years.
Service is over everything, because if you can't serve, you're not going to be effective.
Coward Holman and current officer Adrian Hunt realize their race and background influences the job.
And that's our job, we feel, is to bridge the community, that we grew up in, and to show them, hey, that we're here, and we're regular people just like you guys.
Founded in 1972, the BPOA's mission is to be the conscience of the criminal justice system, advocate for officers of color, and improve the quality of life in the black community. And in the black community, the excessive use of force by police is a reoccurring issue. The death of George Floyd, an unarmed black man killed in police custody, and the death of Breonna Taylor triggered protests around the country.
Our national chair, she was on every talk show that she could possibly get on to get the message out, and the message is about being accountable.
Black men are twice as likely to die in an interaction with police than white men. That's according to a report in the American Journal of Public Health. In addition, black people make up only 7% of Metro's police force and 10% of the entire staff, including civilians. Officer Hunt says that's a cause for concern.
My thing is to always push and to get more people who look like me to join the department.
Metro has a multicultural advisory council that provides feedback to the sheriff monthly. However, Coward Holman says black officers should be at the table with leadership more often and help train the department when it comes to racial issues. She says frequent cultural awareness classes can save lives.
Who better to teach these classes than the people who work for you, who actually know both sides of the story?
Coward Holman says tension embedded in our country's history can only be healed by working together.
We've been in this community pounding the sand for 20 years, but for the last 8 years, we've been pounding it hard because we have to make a change, and the department can't do it by themselves.
Reporting, Bianca Holman, 8 News Now.